I've done over hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue this year alone wholesaling. But if I can go back in time and tell myself this first starting out, it will be this. I tell myself to stop trying to do everything so perfectly. And I don't know what's wrong with me. Maybe you feel it too, but I just have the need to just always have things done so perfectly in a certain way at a certain time. That literally kills you. It killed me and it stalled me for the longest. I'd pick one strategy in one market and get great and good at it. So much time was spent on a logo, business name, apparel, software, on using this script versus this script and then trying this script instead of just consistently following up and just making calls. I don't care what no one tells you. Wholesaling is not about doing the new great trendy thing. I get it if you're adapting based on market conditions, but it's about doing the simple things consistently and doing the right things consistently. Remember that simple scales and sexy fails. Look guys, I've made so many mistakes on my journey and I'm still continuing to fail forward. But my goal for you guys is to expedite your learning curve by learning from this. So give me a follow to avoid making the same dumb mistakes that I make.